Okay, welcome back on this video number 2 about this quick talk about how to create a SEO dashboard with Streamlit, managing SQLite automation. Anyway, the article is still here. I'm still Bruno Flaven, and the code is still around here. So this time we're going to go through a different way of managing the SQLite. That's pre-work before showing the POC itself. But for those who don't know how to manipulate SQLite with Streamlit, that's a good introduction. Okay, I will close this one because I don't care anymore because I've presented in the first video. What we're going to do now is that I'm going to go in this directory. So I'm going to go in this directory and I'm going to show you the importance of these wrappers, yes, abstraction. So what I will say that I want to create a new database because, so I be there, okay. And then with the class, you can create directly this database. So what we're going to do is that we're going to delete the database that we were using, or we're going to not delete, we're going to create a new one saying, okay, I want to have a new database. So I'm just commenting, I'm just commenting that and say, okay, that will be new. So I comment this one, and let's say I want to change the table by adding a field name video. Okay, oops, sorry. So right here is going to create directly, if I run this command, it's going to create, so I need to be sure that it is right here. Yeah, it's going to create directly a new database, you see. And if I open it, I have my ingredient, but then I have the video, and it's empty because I did not fill anything. So that was one explanation that I didn't give in the first video. And then we're going to do the same thing because right here we're going to delegate this database creation to directly to Streamlit with this second project. So I'm gonna clear my console, whoops, sorry, and then clear again, and then CD. So I've changed, and this time I will CD also there, so I will be in the same. So I'm still with the same environment. I remember the first video that was enables you to create this environment, automate screaming frog, and this is the same. I'm using the same environment, so I need the same stuff for this one. But this one is a bit different because if you see, well, first it's calling a different database, which is here, okay. And then, well, it's pretty with things inside, okay. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change. I'm going to create. I'm going to delete it. First of all, I'm going to delete it, and I will say I want to change the name. So I'm keeping stuff like this, and even though I think there's mention at the very bottom. Yeah, that's it. This is where I'm gonna even replace to make it more performing. And then I will say, okay, so normally there's no, there will be a call. So what is going to happen is that it's going to create a class with a table assignment, and then it will have all these fields that can be declared, and directly it will insert new records, okay, me again, and I will turn 30, okay, and then I would say, well, I would say new, even though, or even there, so you would see new. So basically what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to go there. I'm already there. Okay. And I'm going to create, so I've deleted, and it's going to create directly with Streamlit. So I've delegated to Streamlit application the way to create and build your database and the table. Okay. I hope it's going to work. Normally it should work. Okay. So you have create database, and if I check, yeah, it's here. You have new, and then inside he has inserted all these records because I asked him to do so. Okay. You see, and then I can show the tiles. Okay. And I can even think about looking for someone specifically, Frisker, for instance, and I got the name. This one that came from a great resources from Streamlit directly. Okay, so we're done. I think that's enough for SQLite. I'm gonna clear my console again. I'm gonna stop. So it's gonna stop. Well, I didn't even get into the SQLite, but I mean, you know how to do it. And we're going to go through the main course in a way, which is the Python application, this one. Okay, so see you in a minute for the next video that will present you the real stuff in a way. Thank you for watching, and see you in a minute.